Uh, so technically, my colleague was supposed to come and present this part. So that's why we had the two, but he got some emergency work to complete. So I'm Nitesh. I'm co-founder of Inexcel. We are an Indian medical devices company with a focus to develop most advanced technologies, but for low resource setting, and then scale up them across the globe. This is one of our solution. We call it Fetal Light. So the problem we came up, it's my co-founder Vibhav. His parents run a nursing home. So his father is a pediatrician, mother is a gynec, and they had overwhelming patient flow, and that's where they realized one of the biggest issue they were facing in their unit was non-adequate fetal monitoring. And there were multiple issues around it. The first one was about the usability, where they needed to have multiple probes to do the full CTG analysis. Then there was an issue about fetal maternal heart rate confusion, and all of this data still was available in papers or as a print. So they still needed to do analysis around each and every patient. And they looked at all this problem, and Sun being an engineer, they all collaborated and started working on this problem. So our solution, Fetal Light, it's an ECG-based fetal monitoring technology. It's a small probe, this one. Instead of Doppler, we use electrical signal. It extracts fetal ECG, maternal ECG, and uterine contraction data electrically, through which then we take out fetal heart rate, maternal heart rate, and your activity around uterine. Compile all the data as per the NICE guideline, create the report automatically, send that report over WhatsApp to the user. We have an app. Through that app, real-time monitoring can also be done with the same system. The big advantage of this, even if baby moves, this system automatically calibrates with the heart rate and then delivers the really highly accurate data with the same device. Yeah. So the features and benefits I have already covered up. This is the one case study which has been done. There has been multiple randomized control trials as well as comparative trial, but those are I can share with you guys. But this is something which we are more focused on, is a case study where in the really remote area, this is a place even I never thought in India or the place where I stay near Bangalore exists. It's a place 100 kilometers from Hyderabad, which is one of the IT city in India, where you have Google, Microsoft, everyone. People still drink water through straw from the mud. It's just 100 kilometers away. They had really high maternal mortality, and the reason behind that are there are plenty, includes from nutrition and other stuff. But then because they didn't know what's happening with the baby's heart rate, many of them were having stillbirth. And that's where we worked with a local non-profit Karuna Trust. They deployed Fetal Light over there using their vans, and when they got a capability of doing these scanners, and within a month we detected 4 cases of distress, transferred all those mothers to Hyderabad, got the C-section done, both mother and baby survived. So this is where the technology like this, which is getting used in the top hospitals, top corporate hospitals, as well as in the remotest areas like this, where the health equity is becoming a true with the technology like this. Even in places like US, the as advanced technology like this, which is ECG based, is not available right now. So what we are bringing, we are using all these words which in morning, what we were discussing about AI, the deep tech, advanced technology. What we are seeing is the most amazing use case you can actually see in the least resource setting, because that's where the biggest change these can bring. So I'm open to any Q&A on this.
You deal with reducing the anxiety of mothers that might not know what that means, or if something is wrong, or what is the process of integrating them into the use of the technology without causing more distress?
That's a perfect question. And then that's where the way this system works, mothers never know. If anything is wrong, the system, our AI model automatically analyzes the data. It only gives alert to the physician. They will see if it is false alert or it's a correct data. They need to, if they need to see if there is any intervention required, they come and do that intervention. Otherwise, mother is not aware of it, because it can lead to, as we were discussing in our earlier session about hypertension, it can lead to multiple other condition, anxiety, and other issue. We don't want mother to know that anything is wrong with the baby.